Don't go to Dubai for abaya shopping without watching this video, as I have found out a hidden gem in Namma, Bengaluru, where you get trendy abayas and modest wear. This boutique is a one-stop shop for Ramadan shopping. They have sale in abayas here. Pick any of these abayas at just 1,500 rupees. You get viral pashmina abayas in affordable prices. I totally love the Dubai premium abayas collection here, and you get sizes up to 60. Right from casual wear to party wear abayas, you get beautiful collection here. Kids abayas are available too. Cotton, linen abayas, velvet abayas, handwork abayas, and so much more are available. You also get customized Dubai Khalij gowns and capes here. Hajj and Umrah outfits, salah dresses are also available starting from just 650 rupees, and customization for mom and daughter can also be done. Pick any Bangkok kaftan at just 1,200 rupees. Hijabs are also available from 250 rupees. You get original Pakistani suits and Dubai Mukhavar here. So save and share this reel and do visit Al Creation located at BTM First Stage. Follow me for more such Ramadan recommendations.